How's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to review or go over this 430 that we got, and it's going to be up for sale soon.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's a 2006, just a little over 12,000 miles on it. Rosso Corsa over tan and black Daytona seats. We'll go over that. But I just wanted to give you a quick walk around of the car. It's in good shape. Paint's nearly perfect. There's a few little things here and there that I'll show you. Just going to do a quick little walk around. It's got the Challenge wheels from the factory, red calipers, shields. The biggest pick on this car is going to be the front. Has a PPF that only goes halfway up, so it stops like right about there. You can probably see the line in the picture. And it covers that front half going up to about here, and goes over the headlights. So some people might like that, some people might hate that, but it's there, so that's something you got to think about. Other than that, it has the factory piece right there, and also back here. You know, it's looking a little tired. I don't know, some people leave it, some people take it off and have a new one put on. The wheels are in great shape. No curb rash or anything. It looks like it's got titanium lug bolts. Let's go back over on this side. That's condensation from the AC. I just had it running for the pictures. Paint's really, really nice. I don't see any rock chips or anything. Very, very, very minor swirl, but I don't even think it's worth a paint correction. When I washed it, the water beat it off pretty well, so I think it's got a ceramic coating on it, but I can't tell you that for sure. The diffuser is in great shape. No cracks or anything like that. It's got a integrated K40 laser jammer. It's built-in sensors in the front, and there's also a remote for it. Trying to find a flaw. Okay, there's a little tiny little like paint ding right there. It could easily be touched up, like the door hit something or whatever. It's got the PPF on the mirrors, you can see. Really no drama out here on the outside. Glass is all original, in good shape. We'll go to the interior. It's got the two-tone interior. I love this color combo. I like the contrast. I did take care of all the stickies, so all the vents are done. This centerpiece, all the buttons, has no stickies. The vents in the front look like they're sticky, but I'm not going to try to clean those. You just don't touch those. Does have factory carbon fiber steering wheel with the red stripe. Carbon fiber driving zone with yellow tack. Carbon fiber on the steering wheel here. Black carpeting with the nice Daytonas. It's got the Daytonas in the back, or the Daytona back wall too. All leather. Nice piping and everything. It does have an aftermarket Alpine stereo and an aftermarket JL subwoofer. Leather headliner. Really good, pretty good shape. Carbon fiber shift paddles. Not really anything to note. A little bit of wear on the bolster right here. You could get that dyed, or we can take care of that for you. I just haven't done anything. I did replace the window switches here. Both of those were really loose, so I just put new ones in. New reverse button. It was all faded. Got that done. We just had the headliner redone. It was coming down, so we got that redone. Don't have to worry about that. Let's go to the engine. Engine's really clean. Previous owner did do new headers at the dealer, so it's got the updated factory headers on it. But other than that, it's all factory exhaust. It does have a valve controller with the remote. Sport exhaust from the factory. Just really clean engine. Let's go up to the front. Nice clean frunk. Got the tire inflator and the toolkit. Everything's there. It's got a front mount license plate holder that goes in the tow hook if that's something you want to do. Russell Corsa. Nice and clean up here. So that's gonna about do it for this. We'll take it for a drive now. All right, I took the car for a drive and I didn't like the way it was shifting. The clutch is just a little too loose, so we just need to adjust the PIS. So I'm gonna go through, I've got my Launch X431 here. We're gonna go to Ferrari 430. System selection, we go to this 231 gearbox. We'll read the clutch life just to see how that's doing. Clutch wear 27.89, so it's got what, 72% left on the clutch, so it's pretty good actually. We'll go to PIS, adaptation. We read the value, it's going to tell us what it's at, 4.9. We'll go down to like 4.7 on this. So we just go here. 4.7, okay. Write it. Okay, we're good. And then we go here, read data stream. Look at the primary, the gearbox speed to see if the clutch is touching, and it is. So we overdid it a little. Or no, wait, sorry, I'm not in gear. Let's put it in gear. There. No, I didn't. So we'll drive it now and see how it does. I'm gonna take it for a drive now. I've got my bro Cooper here. He's gonna help me. He's gonna be the camera guy again. There's no slipping though at all when you take off from a stop, so I think we're good. So we're gonna do a proper drive now. So my boy Cooper there is gonna hold the camera. We're in first. We're gonna take off here. Sale, I'd probably do a few donuts right here. This is a perfect spot for it, and you can see people come back here and do it all the time because there's marks on the road. But this car drives great. I don't have any problem with anything on it really. It's only got 12,000 miles. It's pretty well loaded. It drives perfect. I don't see any problems, anything you should be worried about. Like I said, my only pick really is the PPF on the front. You probably want to either have it removed and redone, or you could just leave it. Yeah, I mean, so no problem with this car. Gonna do it. 2006 430 F430 coupe, pretty well loaded, 12,000 miles. It's gonna be for sale on our website, ngsupercars.com, and there you have it. Thanks for watching.